Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. This is how to fix multiple Google Chrome processes or running. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply press on your keyboard, shift and escape. So from here, you will have the task manager. So here guys, you could just simply go ahead and select the specific tab or some tools that you no longer need, and you could just simply select end task over here. This will reduce the number of processes that are running, or what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your Chrome by selecting the three dots over here, and now you can just simply go for the settings tab. Now here on the settings tab, you can just simply use the search bar at the top and just simply search for background. Now from here, you will have an option, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So make sure to turn this off in order for you to fix the issue. And mostly, this is all you can do. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.